All right, let's take a look at this problem. Once again, following, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now that you know those rules, you have to follow them forever. It's so that you get the correct answer. Because if people just go straight across with no want or need to follow the rules, you'll get a different answer, like 80% of the time. All right, parentheses are the parentheses. Hello? Yes. Yes. Underline your parentheses. We're going to solve what we underlined first. We're going to rewrite 3 times 4 plus 7 minus 3, geez. 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 10. Any exponents? Nope. Multiplication and division. Yes. We're going to do multiplication and division left to right. I'm only seeing multiplication. So this comes next. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 plus 10. Addition and subtraction. I'm only seeing addition. We're going to go left to right. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. It's final answer. All right, let's do the next one at the bottom. Another PEMDAS. All right, we got 6 plus 2 times 4 times 3 in parentheses divided by 3. Any parentheses? Yes, sirree. Let's rewrite the problem. 6 plus 2 times, what's 4 times 3? 12 divided by 3. Exponents, no. Multiplication and division, yes, we actually have both. We have multiplication here and division here. We're going to follow this left to right. So 6 plus 2 times 12 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So now we're down to addition and subtraction. 6 plus 8 is 14. This is going to be your model today. We're going to do some more practice together, and then you're going to do some independent practice. You're getting a packet. It also has holes, like the little chart. Put your name at the top. We're going to be using this for a couple days. And you're going to have homework in it tonight. I'm going to have you turn to page 8. Page 8. There we go. Page 8. Page 8. Notice the numbers kind of go all over the place. There is no page. It actually starts on page 6. So page 8 looks like this. So we're going to do some practice today with PEMDAS. Please write PEMDAS going down the side. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. All of the operations, all in one. All right, look at this first one. It says, which operation should you do first? Simplify with parentheses. What operation am I doing in that side of parentheses? Multiplication. So our first operation for simplifying this would be multiplication. We can just set mult. Now that we've done, pretend we've done the multiplication, what's our next operation that we would do in this? Alexandra? Addition. Very good. Now they want us to solve it. So my next problem would be 13 plus, what's 8 times 3? 24. So it means I need to do 24 plus 13, and I get 37. All right, for the next one, we're going to use order of operations to evaluate each expression. I've shown you these before. They're called brackets. They sometimes use brackets instead of parentheses, but they mean the same thing. There's brackets, there's parentheses, and there's braces. You will see all of these on your keyboard. The parentheses are always 9 and 0, but on your keyboard you'll see where are the braces and